Find and manage display settings on your Samsung Galaxy Tab in 999 Plus the most quickest way. First, you have to open up your settings and go to display. From here, you can switch between light and dark mode and even schedule dark mode for specific times. You can also adjust brightness manually or turn on adaptive brightness so your tablet does it automatically. For smoother animation or scrolling, check motion smoothness, pick adaptive for faster performance or standard if you want to save battery. Now you can turn on Eye Comfort Shell to reduce blue light and use warmer colors. And now under font size and style, you can choose your preferred font size, enable bold font, and adjust the text to your liking. In screen zoom, make the display larger or smaller based on your preference. Now from the aspect ratio, let's you set custom ratio for individual apps so everything fits perfectly. Now the most importantly, set screen timeout to control how long your tablet stays awake. And from the each panels give you quick access to apps, contacts, and tags. You can move the handle, change its color, size, or transparency, or even turn it off. You can also choose between buttons or swipe gesture for navigation and customize your layout. Turn on touch sensitivity if you're using a screen protector. And finally, you can manage your display by your own. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.